am when ya credit ebeyi bank rex ho afri ho 2 ebema aban enya needed taxes income taxes every rent yi ho hwe masa
na kwabra osusuye we a wo de nyina no ayade a wo de gu krata so de ama aban na
oh masa me yehia da ma ye adwuma sa for almost 24 years ni masa de me ni aban bi anhia yehia ye di nkomo behind the scenes we talk even within the scene we talk we come ni nyina wa bad ni nyina na kuta political
implication
ye yesesia ye nto aba ma yen but me say ma de no for be gina trade organization so sa policy CB o ho a we GPA2 nsa wo mu a wo de ama GPA2 wa resource no se sika na GPA2 wo bua ne agege no ye gege a ye be mo 0.001 enti GPA2 bo ho modin na ye na gege ne ye hwe ye man titifie omunya adwuma nye just create district offices, tax offices, district offices. The kids will migrate from there and then go to the regional offices. Enti nipa 12 bia ya group omo afọ baby omo wo Santa Maria nipa 12 bia e wo Awoshi nipa 12 bia e wo ha nipa 12 bia e wo ha ni ehwe every month sika omo de beba sa ban obekọ abonten akwakogi loan me na me ka kire
wo say we are okay nyina no komo de depa but the political will, as you rightly said, and be any ho.
And I'm saying burden free aban so. If the political will is not there, we are saying take the burden from yourself and push the burden to the trade associations.
There be so what my trade associations the crowd. You're gonna for because and why pension trade associations this are the yes.
Me pese me be nkomo yi mu bi.
Okay.
Onim ba kofo ene kodi fa ene efre obi mu fantefo. Come watch me. Obi amba embedi aban so emre a ono pe. If we to be so, nka ye nya change of government. And for policy ni bra. Next standing on it. Na uko a ye be kai wo akasem. Unim se ene Atamels Memorial Day. Unim se ene Atamels Memorial Day. One kai hwe kra wo be kai asundwe hene. Me boa.
Uko asundwe park ni bia na.
O one kai hwe kra wo be kai asundwe hene.
Uko asundwe park.
Ye di asundwe hene nkomo. Ne park
because the dressing I would dress here wa share white fugu ya.
Me tire wo say ye wo meeting. And I'm sorry meeting mu.
Okay,
eba ha.
Okay.
Enti bibia obeye bia say ye wura pepra o ka say o ko refer to President Kufuor emra almost /zeros no e wo we no so o de baaye o ko refer ye. Obi beye bibi ama ni di aka ho. Operation feed yourself atampo o ho no mo. But oh, Cassasi, you can't operation feed yourself. It's only for policy, Nebra. Come what may, you will be remembered.
Until you cancer until say you better expand tax net,
yeah.
Because on say policies no so they ban no. When say policies, they are good policies, but the policies now be enhance a tax collection. I'm not taxes na koso. Until automatically no. People who say bia ya two tax mu no near there, but the two in na share no taxes ni be we year free. And apart from that, VAT no yeah real alignment no. VAT na about 20% instead of 21.9. 21.9 a free so. That is how it is. But then yes and here e woni pa ni so because you see am so no who say omo no mo give 4% nyina ye migrate e bi mu de omo akọ 20%. Enti obeje higher. Enti automatically no it's enhancing tax collection but amana kosoro. So because near wo group segment bi a omo de omo ge 4% and I say omo nyina ge 20%. Enti automatically be kosoro. Enti the American say on expanded tax net no na on use trade associations no.
And yes, the associations no your friend say individual associations here. And transporter or you transport trader or agriculture or you not to say or you all the department that department ni na ye
because yeah abofo no na ehun uko China their associations are more effective than anything.
Wow.
But omo no is within the province.
Yeah.
So enti wo ya wo beka say on so omo amade no wo locality no enti wo beka no ya twebook na ye long crowd oje until you migrate from a stage 1 to a stage 2 a stage 3 until obi wa obo say oba beto ne so wa bie wa engineering eyi na wo company kese no na wa just wa nim se ne eniama ne ko ye ni nyina ba ye nya ne sa nipa no sorry ya opese ye friend say won na ye eyi onim ho hwe enka me tena hai say enye adwuma ama ye na msagwado nsem o kan yi say no ansem idwane afa no mako mitimi nya no but de o kan bia no be kan bia no mi so me wa anu yi a meyi say bi kura nipa na ntona sum kura obetim ase so obehun say asem na me ka no ya akoma pam na mde me ka on say me ka wie wa ogi mitum ba say wonnim ade no wonim bia ade na abeka mi was wuti wono nya no na wodwen ho mi so mi ti wada bia anopa bia na ma fra Dubai na ma tie de asi wo ho because me niam go 3 months ni ntimi ma
wow
ntimi ma they say yes on the 6th me expecting on the 6th September
6 September
6 September container na fe no mo de number ama me because they drop the container and say so kakra you are no kwa wa hwe ya bomb ye beto bomb atuntum until you drive the container from one country to another country and sana wakwa
from Dubai to Oman
also Oman no abaye edge no ba bia edge no wono until ono otimi de eniama no fa ba honye porta eso until oyi ni kakra ena wa export to niama no look at it
and the surface abra ko de eniama bo ma den kakra o
eno nyankopon kra na aboy because unsa ache but don't say you was so say amanfo kra free China no but the China no import cycle no ewa 3 months yes awukọ na wakoye niema no so because you timi nko China na nkoye bia osi o wakoto bia 2 pallet bi but Dubai de o wetimi afa isi si asande e bia niema bi be say 2 pallet aba be say $10,000 $15,000 $20,000 bi just say baba no yi
but China de enti
na bi ho China de say okoye container kwa no wa ana China kra no shops a ubenya o mo beton ade no baako ama no edin on ton ma diama obehu ho nyina no for showroom ayi nti wo ya e say o make order and quantity so
all right enche bia mene afrefo bedi enkomo enti agbado sese de wa ma ya ti ase nyame adoma fe edadwo ekoi kianeki mo anhwe ya first bo bekoso
ene de no krai free dadwe daiko first bo ebekosoro se maka che o se meeting ni koso ye ko break no me ye ko
okay no mo se
na still emu aye den
emu debi wo se emu aye den
den
den emu aye den
de emti emu aye den no se sisi no ebi se yenko 30% ebi nso se yenko 20% but me ubisa me sisi at the view of 30% no I will support it there is in nie sisi me ne o ka say at base yegina so e diesel ho 17.59
manyare say in the next pricing window yan twa ye kra diesel bit be 20 cedis
the next pricing window 1950 something so getting to 20 cents inti no say yan hwe yie na the 20% yi basis ya e ba ya e na 24 aka only 6 days price be kosoro inti afi na e ba be boy ensa no ye ni man ka ye 30% ana so to us 30% no ebeboa because petrol this petrol ba be free 15 yi akọ 17 or 18 na diesel akọ 19 or 20 it is ekoduru ho na yesa agisika fia ya kalabule ni besa aba
but agbodo ye nyina nim se America na Iran akofa we nyina aba bekan de mu kan se mu ye na sa na mu strategy na ntokona no brase na petrol diesel about between 11 and 14 first na mapage mu mo beti so amaya na
oh me say first na ye ni abakwasemu see the history is rewriting itself
mo beti so
nanu ya yete so na yante so
pressure na farm na mo de
anti pressure beba be fa ebium
na ade na mo ankasa mo ntenase enkomu so David ye gisisi ade esisi adabafo adi ankasa yete so
minua se obekai ya ema minister benya banta ewo ho
mekai
ohun e wo se oye proactive adie ne ba eba ya no asore gina so because that is why you are appointed for
Joseph Likpe Bukari
Minister of Roads obi betimi aka na semboni ewo Ghana ewo yi ewum se Ghana kwan nyina atete apansamo but obi betimi aka na semboni wo kwan Ghana kwan ho because wo behu no ha ene ekena wo behu no no ho ekena nti ama contractors no osuro se obeye last de bia contractors ni gu kwan so omo yedwuma what you say be we asem ne ba na yeka sese na asem ne se ye bi mo yetan no but wo yedwuma no na wo ye ni year why not yes sorry tia trade minister yene friends gutafo ekohia no ewo ne office o chechere the same issue here I can about spare parts boy edin and if you ono na enhwe ne sector no and nti na etesa ye call ye no mo chechere mu e ma ofidie so kura me be kasa ye ma ofre Mr. Pepra eba mu and nti se wo ye dwuma no na wo ye ni yi a ye mbo wudin sa asem ne ba na ye ka wo de fane se ya ntro ambra umpo na wate ne won frama mu a kan hu se frama mu no driver ni asum no 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 so ye preparation what you say nti all your preparation no now so quickly what read the heads what na say you 30% impo na oni omuka na eba 15 na unim say why bi but obegina wa na ye the 30% na ba and san na obeka say you reverse it can be reversed it can be reversed hwe assembly eni say meka no ha be meka no ha
all right assembly
ye free all those matters in this ye free energy for ye free MPA
okay
you free all the departments that boa ma yenya bebia yedru no you free ho no nyina e bisa ye ema you free copec for bisa omo the next window ema omo kire say the next window will be up again you free sa nyema nyina nti quickly ye de to wenim no wa free ye na ya tena ase na ye nyina ye bobo ebi ni o sisi yi o say o manfo say ye ne no eti yani ni tiri ya nka say me megina nka de make you see the coordination is not matching match eniti enati mamufo ebe breda dwada
coordination no woka ho asem no between the driver unions and the transport ministry no coordination nkuta hudie no enhye dan wie peye
menua Tuesday ene ba bonten say ye ma aban up to Friday respond bia mba will go on and increase our transport fare 30%. And as I speak with you,
they have not responded.
Meeting na say we expect to say call will come in because coalition in na issue ho no all the transport union na issue ho no nti ye expect to say call beba ho na adwebere waba say ye be 30% kwa na ye be tie ba 20% or say 15% na ayedwuma no ye nti ho machi bia nti say dadwo adadu na obi je ne 30% a olube beba be gina wa
ana say no omo twen say mo be start age anse na afre mo ana mo be your official announcement anse no mo afre mo ana
ma say ye official announcement na ofre ya the reversing ayedin because me ni wo kasa sisi
na some why bi da
and I say the reversing ayedin
why bi da why reverse bi da
ya reverse it
sure
but me ni wo kasa sisi reverse na ya reverse ye no 30% out of 70 30% and 70 akem
really
yeah inti ni reversing na ya na ayedin but say just say ya ye kan na ye nyina ye ka na ekwa bonde say 15 and 20% a passenger be froka ono so nim calculation. What is the passengers for no ye were doctors for whom ye were professors whom ye were engineers whom ye were all kinds of people are omufru juma percentage wise no omo ye adiesin yen adra for no omo ne ye calculate oh na moji say ni percentage e say na moji say ni way e say enti no say ye nya ko na ye ka 30% na didi obi asuma he work with the 30%. He work with the 30%. Eho na ye yen ebi moya. Say only ye bekasa na ye te wase a when we come out we will come and speak nicely to our drivers and they will also understand because many will say enye na Mr. Pepra kan say we artificial e betwem say artificial na e betwem edwadifo so kan say o na ye nso ye ne ye nkrofo e ka na bibia kosi peye na ye nyina ye kurakura ye ho a oman no be kɔ no se de ye pɛ no be se ye gya ye nyina ye pɛhye ye nsa oman no ye timamufo ye ntini de ye ntini de nti the ministers should be up and doing.
All right, SOMPA 106.5 FM. But what can you kakra fa you wana?
Oh, the me can say me enuanom no we solidarize with them. But the woman says say no enyamre papa mu ne ewo se ne me ka say enyama kra kwan fa so anema esi ba no ne ade hwe issue say ba say ama say artificial freight bills ni nyina ye kosoro no ne ade enti the ebesre ni say omo enhesi slowly kakra na minister no so sane minua ne kan we dey say o matene o nsa kra o kra efra minister ne say bram na nyina ye ntrase nti nka say jasu ya ofra o mo no o trase na o mo discuss about kwan o mbefa so a omo issues we o mbe solve because one say ade na ekọ no say papa yi obo wakra na no oil no timi kosoro Trump ka say ne ya say ye be sori no si o enkrofo ya fe dia mi ama bombo o ma bre enti no wo mo mra ne nkasa ebetimi eso betimi ati by half kra because artificial but say ya hwe ni yeso na say ye see ye jane sa enu time a ebia omo kase omo pe bibi no omo de asia no na ye nuanom drivers no kra no na omo capital ni nyina ahye na adwuma no kra di out eno so no the problem beba because na say problem bi buy a na car kra wo de be kofi unya bi nko
na hoden ba
na hoden
na hoden all right mind tie for the tie for ebeka na numbers no 0260 196064 0260196065 over to the voice no swafa 0249777779. Hello
Prof.
Yes.
We incoming deputy communication officer our Trubo constituency.
Incoming deputy communication officer our Trubo constituency but how any
Honestly, and Amamolia as deputy communication officer.
All right, me that say my inti umpenyin for studio.
Me papa na kasa na ye mu binum te senedie Prof Adabraka menene nyaadwen because Prof bibia uni madia aye omodihye ena spare parts boy dine yini ye tiasie but Prof could you imagine say maybe I get G5 cities rush hour any ache anopa na mo double fare work papa ye papa yo tegori America free pokwasi sector and ye 5 cities flat yet me 10 cities over do ye achimota sorry party to achimota 5 cities we are you 10 cities so much more than yes 4 cities the percent you start 10 cities it is a little too 20% to 30% now yeah you said mobrumu for ye ni bie let you say you know you be full I do ko be say the full na say e na yeso yen kan ye it ye be sre ayi amu hu ye boko kakra na mu e pori de mo bo ye nye ni kasa ba ni tuno e fit that money o person hu baby ye faka do na e wona hu say e ye na kan say yanta
so bad radio. So let's hear your voice. What do you think on this particular issues being discussed right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me ba cho hwani.
Oh, the word prophet and secretary grocery through Amazon Sroma.
Okay,
but we are seeing now can know what if I got to Ghana. We are going to David Jumaro. And Cafe, in Kuma, I have been last year. I
would also point out some.
And this is a 35 cities. So you know what the system done now. So let us talk tomorrow. That's in that. I don't know. What was it? 15 cities. One second. So put to one second. And this one is 2017. That was a 35 cities. Yeah, I know. The first system done now. Okay. So what the system done now? Where's the center? Assistant donor, who's talking about that? No, the communication is from. It's money will call. It's one jacket. No crop programs. I'm not sure. Police to follow call. I don't know what jacket. But police to follow one jacket. And you got one jacket. I'm not sure. Police. One report on call. Bye bye.
Oh. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, me va tomar una casa, Warama.
Oh yeah, free from bro.
Free from Warama Pachoma in TY.
Yo, Panagia on Abo Boache Japan, international chairman MPP. Delegate near more than the Boache Japan. No man chairman maintaining your power in free and
yes.
Give back to and you know to one mono. Me wouldn't send them no cano. No quad, me wouldn't say GGB in Ukraine. Copim say. Your Ghana Hannibal. And now, yen to roll same. VIP the nickel at to roll same or black one, yen two full. I will know dinner. What we are aware. No so many say, transport to the air, that's what big nickel at to roll same or black one to Yanka Hoshi. I know one. I never do left. And Kahano, a foot hope, a yet hope. I never feel happy. That would be a general for. Oh, it's okay. I'm more better. 50% or 5 cities. Who can go Casua 10 cities. And the more better, especially so to a castle, maybe 10 cities, 15 cities in our. You have to for me aware. It is okay with no better. So we say, better increase in the Juma. What would be free a good Anoa? Maybe be a day. Not to be what say. One more argument on the American Quad, the Wood Day, said and Sonny, will be a our deeper over the concern union, one union. It's one on my way to be able to see the uncle. Then you know, the pen for your mono, and she said, you both of these everything in our. If you that work on it, no one get too many. It's one also office of your year. Said what I say. It is no, the maker of the ministry, but one say. They say you have to crew. What shall know what you want to be a friend now for sale? It just going to be a sporting. It was your 5 you know. Not all that one to Matricia. Not require a job for me, passengers for Temo at Topano. It is performance. What would you come another penny? What would you come with traffic? It depends on my family.
May I say, pass by? Hello, good evening.
Abotchie.
Yes. Yeah, but one minute, can say. ABC, but on my meteor.
I thought you said to Jack and same compartment. I got Chubukos, constantly, that's the communication from the party of Chubuko. Montuma branch or after Montuma, no, 30 years to my and then come out. Do a shama. Also, call communication. Oh, Ashama, Montuma, Gideon, 17, no fancy without it. Abotchie,
yes.
Me friend is DT, and it's at the Paga. The anchor is one. On the transport. No, the other is, yeah, of the FM. Sir, Bano, and Pakistan, and Shakariano. The team is Saka. Yet, you must have ultimate tip on it, Ghana for 8 years or years. They say, I was the Mosanka, remember, this is no man. The person is here, said, say, I'm not to give you to the test. I'm not going to keep it, but I find ever in such as a Jomoya. Yes, yes, I know. I'm not saying that. Don't protect your fine.
Me that's it. Mami Fakola. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Abotchie.
Yeah, me Pachoana Venen can say.
I can't feel for me and you can't come out.
I can't feel what I'm Pachoma Mintio.
Oh, yeah, driver near. I know what to Kada. Kalaka is a movie. Women are effect. I ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
Mame Entia never ABOTCHIE Ejako. Oba Lesra Tamai. Nana B, first vice. And Jessica, the assessment case. Alaji lawyer Ali Mega, say him no.
Ali Mega, me pa.
The number one show the show.
Watch out, baby. Go with him.
I don't know what is it. The player two bedroom, the other one to roll it.
And your patron class, my pass winding.
Spare pass winding. And another at the Akuyaswara.
Now, where's the Bahaman, your Savannah?
Oh, that be some people say, Nana, Akuyaswara.
Now, so when you say, again, another Newakunya, so your mamma Newakunya, so Kawasam near.
Oh, you can represent your mamma Naba. The dear, Mosen another Akuyaso, Zola, Ecoso, the dear Coso, no, Petro, $1 conform, we are conformer. I don't account of a brother who to spare and who took out lawyer firm. I don't account. Oh, dollar for your soul to go and buy and done inside the bomb. All the people within another fashion. And now, put the other motor lawyer firm. We are member of a motor lawyer firm near Radia. The dog bullshit.
No, Jawasa Macafia. Hello, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, me bacho wana menene kasi. Okay. Me bacho yanko manao ba mamitio.
And over the Ghana has done a Ghana by less than many be a kind of friend. There was some okay in a you of our case. Oh, what is you? Abe system. Hey, ya na wudi ko pompe and a flex ya ko and we are they be even the 2024 na 2023 no akra ade ko second na and what you have a brand se pe no yet to no ba ade ya mu ya na di see o fakat dia mai na o flex o di wo no di wo be no na I'm going to go for slow. What is the inflation and interest rate double from you can go out there.
Me bacho enya gwado nyabuche manaba. Ye wo aye guta president Greater Accra onu ofia. Onu kanasam eye nana kwabena pepra. Ono na no ma statistics say abaya bon ho modern wo hwe figures na everything looks very good. But there are challenges womu efisi because of the fact aye womu a omutua eto Ghana ha no mu ye kakra bi womu na omu da se tua eto no ye pege mu ano mutua na ha adwen agbado nkomo a odie no ene nana kwabra papa de no ebo edra
enti yo almost statistics say aja ben na bon mo de na but me ka to me so pa bi ye team is letting no have bombo I first let me tell 100 Ghana cedis and my tax for and then me tell 150 now who got the inflation in no ma abom abena bon ho bode I first say no abai another say and ni bana no mo here for plan I will grow no it's up to them somewhere 100% and I'm able to say nipa okay ni na o ya hu se wo twantro no mo go sign and the baba dia na say afese ana me yo ni go say ade afaje mesu baby
Mami Nasi, Manaba, Okasa Free, Pantan Village. You can also be a part of the show right now on 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening.
Incoming call,
Me pato 1 minute kasi. Hello, me pato 1 minute kasi. Hello. Me back 1 minute kasi. Me da se paso by. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Yeah, me back 1 minute kasi.
But you want because of you, that's my laptop.
Okay, but you are my into trotro driver my into.
But George, I can't say second of all, I say, if I'm sure issue Nabano, yes, to go on, I say, Yaki, if you're I just don't know. I'm doing not your way. I'm waiting. So, not of the bread, 5 year bread. I'm going to make her.
Sir, wow, trust for mobile pound.
That's an easy cry. Now, which you
na sɛ muso first no bi wɔ hɔ a yɛntu mu ba mo ma pagya mu deda enti na mo hwehwɛ sɛ first we yɛ the percentage ba ntumu na mo atum akwakodu ɛyɛ bebi a mo di akosisi ara mo di 30% na bɛka ho ba GPR chipin a wɔ ha kyerɛ nse and this ɛnyɛ sɛ sakwan na wɔso mo de fa so ɛna short na mo lodu no sɛ obi free ɛyɛ everything Pukwasi eko eye circular 10 Ghana cedis but 5 cedis but mo be wiero no ma 10 cedis because we be load afi Pukwasi akogina Achimota whole station uzo obi ensi na whole station to circle sa niema na mo so mo ye no won say moa
mo siaka ni enukre ba entina ye wo peni kuda no won wa to task force o mo so mo check ye ta no mo ti mo mi se me kan ya o ma ti bi mo mo kokko tira ya de no ma ti ada ami so mu mi o mo adwa ma ti ada
wow
e dey say o mo check it up na mo tutu again bi o mo peja pere mu o mo ti o mo go mo tu mu je fi pepe tu mu se je ba se me tu ma ye chese telephone bi du mama ye je pepe tu o pepe ye o
na wo ye trotro driver wo twu car no free hin ekọ he
but me da so da small laptop to la pass
na fair ni saying
but that's not to the part and 60 first person who was na well 50% something na they go 50% something no na what you want 10% no 40% yes 60 most of the time go any day to na 90 almost all things about 60 what the game could be 17 but say again 60
all right me that's it hello good evening but one minute can say okay, Mr. Boatin. Also, can I free? I'm a summon. Mr. Boatin, line to you.
ABOTCHIE, the amount of money I have cost me to I have a phone. The Metafaka will kiss with power the farmers. Can't wait to that things now, not police in the 15 Ghana. Hey, Ulu, Apple, and some almost what you want to do. Doesn't yes, 42 I need 350 ABOTCHIE. Yes, what you want me to see. Omobano the guru Achimota host to a possibility to jump. Opajana Sako so be the card be the Senate insurance pardon. Those don't take an issue. Hey, Omobro Amasama from the hospital this year. Edi, come here, Ghana animal which I can say is that we have to do people to be our office. The Kudu office, the water office one or the beginning. Honestly, free office baby or the electrician. Papa not someone work. Think a bit more like you are think about you. Ko bi boye privilege da ko free education so be say be take che o pa ko no che ko bra o bi ko to ko ni bi a o ni ko back to the seat the o to ko so ko to je no o yi wo amaka ma che ko no so ni if it before say o ko free education so bi kita back the reason ko ma ko 100 na wo ko o kita mi nu o so ye qualify because Ghana had a campaign system of tax and energy. My book, you have a secret of the cancer.
Okay. Yeah.
The year for tax, so much thought as well. It takes 220. Almost your tax and be our houses 24/7. Almost set the whole year. Young for almost free education. The Ghana had here. You have a long way to go in terms of data and consider being Yamana Juman. It was a question I'm making one thing. Almost around the car before we bag it down the 20, but now I said about my channel for the answer. The place where before we buy. So, we want to do about the coffee or Yaman. If you can't have the entity of the young data, you will say, ABOTCHIE away doing the full personnel activity that me and Boka say, may you surprise every part by our activity back that time. You have a long way to go. If you are not for no
Mami Nasi, Mr. Boatin Celebrate Radio. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
Mr. Paul Johnson,
okay, Paul, Mbacho, my meeting.
Apam Dada.
Odase.
SARFO so mekiano
oje SARFO ha oje so
kakra meka ne se yen imamufu ye saade me MPP ni ba obi enu se me MPP ni yen penso no ya ni etoka sikamu tutam ya ba ko eti ese aban we wasa o de yen nyina me kan bia bereta aban nasa nanso se oba the 2 years me kasi ka me unu se yato wa yiri to le ya se dabre ya da su jina ga di jina se ye se nye oye Ghana ni MPP ye Ghana fo se bibi ko na se ye boa ti mamu ko na ye nka na ye ka kasi ka enfra ban wo to no furu firi St John's wa ekọ akra unya bidda iso o si sake anzana wata to aso afedi eti police fo wo bi ya eno mo fo mo na si fom that mamu fo ye ho nto ye
na se yabotre aposifo ye a wo ka ho asemi se wo ne adrava fo no akwa ye se okunu ni oyere o
ene se kuru ni oyere dia ene ye president Mahama ke etu onye bibi mayan no ye bibi ma Ghana the party kra ebi kunu ebo na baso me mebo na baso wo na me mpe na mamu kra nanso de obi be ka ebi a wa me yesika me MDC ni bia ni wa me ni no ye me ni na ye ma koje bonsu enso me ni no coin ana se wa ta for madam wo me ni kanti obi ho de obi ye na se ya kan na se mamufo no ye hu ni se oboa ye na yanka na wa nya o mbedi sika no oji so aye tini nya no hui eti obi ye bibi na eboa o man na yanka ni nya se me party ni ya ti o mu ntumi a wani di atama ke ba che no wo se Mahama ntimi nya no he o ntimi nya sei yo kika na chirichiri no e be mi ano no ni anyame ka mo ho
me da say so bye. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Prof. Good evening, sir.
Me ba cho me ho ye one na me na ka say wadara
Dr. Kwati dey so with you.
Kwati me ba cho ma minti o.
Yo. Richia the Deputy National Organizer. Abigail Pastor Boss of National Organizer. Dr. Brown.
Me pa cho nipa mienu pe na obetimi achi a nimbre. Ko enim.
Best people for the politics network. Ya budi be ye kana for ekete mu yo. Muti da do bia jomo. Muti se kana for boku mu. Prof.
Yes.
Budget President Mama ni the finance minister de ba no. Budget de ma nyema pa abagana for akwemu. Yeye de ba kana for akwemu. Ye finance minister dia. Ade dia ro address white. No, to Bible quotation.
Me pacho again no ho asam ne kan. You say GP de wo we chirikra na asam na da ho no. Let's go straight to the issue. Why, Mr.
Okay, Mate, party fachene.
All right. Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, boss. Apome.
Me pacho me ho ye na fa na me na ka say. Ebu. Okay. Ebu ye drabani. Se dia aye GPRT force no afia da joda antwe ye a ashanti abo mu pejam between 20 and 30%. Na then I walk afa ho
no pass me say if you are ko adwuma be ye no bufu na je kana dai asawo mutum woni be bi so aja ko fe bi kra we bo say nda ko we say branch me so I fan of 5 cities.
Okay.
Recently, about 2 weeks, over 50 cities. And I can so make 25 and I'm just about 22. But this year, I pay 4 DPI station on Adia. I'm no cash on 30 cities now. No way. But also, I'm not going to be a 50 and I spent them to 40. And I'm going to station. Open Jesus can be the better than that to say because when I official or a DPI boy and inside of them out, but just that station, I think you're opposition. All friend, I know with the but the woman I'm found. I will give you a bit for this to show the track that. And the woman is an almost station. But one of the Diana. And the what and yet, ebi obi matum na ebi musu tum but any kwata enya obi je any kwata ye ta but kaya official no mo ta kaya da obi am e da abetum e se ti no mka ta mo tum je mo jolo tum bi ma omo mu tum no tori da mo do makan tai
What are David they are working opinion or I'm so you why obey you one me that's it let me talk to this guy. Hello. Yeah, me pato one am in say
this is Wilson from Ashama.
Wilson, my interview.
Yes. But the only thing pays me that government is using tax money to back up for GPLTU, and they are not doing their work.
Government. No, wait. You are saying that government is using its money to buy what for GPLTU?
Taxpayers money to back up for GPLTU. A doctor Ashama to attack the card 5 cities, they take 10 cities. Attack the gas station to Sema. Now they are taking 12 cities. Even in time, sometimes some people take 15 cities, Ashama to attack the car. Ashama to Lebanon, they take 5 cities. Meanwhile, 3 5. What are they doing?
So you want to say that already they have increased transport fares?
Already. So if they are coming to India, what are they going to do about that one?
But Mr. Aguado tells us that with the increase that is coming, it is going to be on its effect is going to be on the original old price that they were charging, not the ones they have started charging.
Are you sure that they will reduce it? Are you sure they will reduce it again?
Okay,
they are not doing their work. They are getting wasting our time. They are not doing their work.
That is what you think?
Yes.
All right. So thank you so much for being part of the program. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Pacho wana melele kasi.
Pacho Frank Nero ni udomini na mayo.
Okay, Frank Nero. Pacho maintiwe.
Pacho mecheni kwa kusema kwa mambo.
All right.
Mamechia yitaka regional organizer. Wana buanti mnikweni. This time around, the over for deputy national general secretary. They are plenty before. Common to man over deputy general secretary now. And this is you could enter.
Me pacho ko ni mame why a break ya me.
So DPSU for any other union so make us on bad to roll the one. How many are banned really Ghana for any media?
Adendra.
Maybe no Katai. Even if I'm just saying matter, or the me, please, the me to another the me to answer. Buying that ban 1 year, 2 months, yet before so clear, I feel any between then saying, yes, the crano, the other two of them, and she appears to swap up soon by other density. They are still all affairs so that the senior president, Station Matamontiso, Omukan, the year is not to change. As we are two Mukakai, the move of the Toronto, the strap by no ordinary also. Now, my DPS for and my name Ghana company because for now, I cost of a can. Now, they are the top of them. And already developed for my country, the car, and a form of Dominion, who do a company. 10 cities, and already a bit 7 cities. As almost the 10 cities, only 3 cities are social sector. Almost said I can't give a 30%. Come to the Ghana for a day. I'm binding now, DPS for all the
I think I'll do with the last call and get back in studio here. Hello. Yeah, me pacho wana mene kasi.
People you know what we start another move by pacho.
What's the day?
People you know what company for na kazanka
o ka mo ho pa.
Lọ́ọ̀lì sẹ́yìn náà ẹ̀kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àtúmọ̀ mi kàn ẹ̀kú sáńsá mi bua wọ́n mú káwọn náà ẹ̀kọ́ sọ̀ ṣe wọ́n ti lẹ́ẹ̀m ẹ̀yẹ stéṣì káà lọ́sọ̀ ọmú ṣẹ́ náà láàánú wárí à káà ní bọ́ọ̀mù tí màá káà nù ẹ̀rìpàkì bẹ̀ẹ̀bí ní ọba bẹ̀ka ọmọ bẹ̀ka tiẹ̀ mú pàṣẹ ẹ̀sìn fẹ́ dẹ́rẹ́bà wo ẹni diẹ ọ̀sẹ̀ àkọ́ àpọ̀n ní ẹ̀mọ̀ mi ní sẹ́rọ̀ tẹ́sí ní ọ̀sọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ di 15 ìjàmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ di à bùsà àtúmọ̀ mi kàn ẹ̀sẹ̀ mi bua ẹ̀sọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n mọ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ bí adìẹ kọ́ sọ̀ ọmú ni mo ọ̀rẹ́ yíyá ti fọ́ọ̀mù ìyàwó ẹ̀dìẹ kọ́ sọ̀ nyinaa yẹ kọ́ sọ̀ onim ama onye bi bɛka sɛ apolisifoɔ gye wɔ adrafoɔ ne sika ɛbi sɛ bɛ ɔmo gye saa hyɛn no a ɔka no sɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ da adrafoɔ ne sisi passengers-foɔ no ankasa ansa na apolisifoɔ no so wui sɛ sɛ monsia passengerfoɔ sɛ ɛnso bɛyɛ sɛ mu padeɛ baako bɛ ne gye hu yɛ kakra no sɛ ɔnka ntɛm hɔ ma ɔmote tax force bi sɛ driver ni bɛgye saa ne ma ɛboro so a na nka ɔmo akye no na bia ɔmo de n'akɔ so a na bia ɔmo driver bi a ɔno ɔpa kyɛw na wagye normal fare. Oh, yeah, don't say you know,
was saying, oh, we can't quite do that. Anything in the funny because now to tell or 10 years ago, I am a grandpa, what would go and find out what would be gay. I don't we got that for the throne. I don't got the ball.
Oh, I got a four. And we have also SOMPA 106.5 FM, Forgotten Country City. Young for friend, baby, your friend, SC. But what's a man for friend? David Agbado, I'm going to do an
I wish.
Yes,
Prof.
Yeah, come in.
I say, with you, you'll be back. As usual, meaning said to do another family home. Lorry Fate, you know, I said you were to him, near.
Sir,
and into any the Ombeca family home. Into a part of it. Now, dear, I am a day, and they say equation a balance it. When we say even passengers cry a camera a drive for because when him some police for issue, ya come as they say, who need to be reported to you. Okwa class central, they say there are time. Ama police only duty crown oba anajo no ma be yo mo de ahomachefo abe yo mo de na wiafo anopafo aden and as they say no enye ehon kwa na say atiesi say ukọ your friend say achimota o station higher ewo ho no mo ukọ malam junction ewo ho ukọ kaneshi ewo ho say the o ma na ye time no kren so ebi efa ye nso ye ho say the passengers for na ka no obi mo afa bronya ho we crackers di enti no mafa bronya ho we crackers o mo se line abe tenten no no mako driver e die ye pese opon no pese opon de ye pese no it's not se nipa ni lodu o station na ye station ko ade a o se ogene normal fare hwe se passengers o mo fro car from La Paz to Tema o metimi afra in na bisa o mo line netimi ye tenten from your Hokoka traffic light na say but yes still we still take the 16 cedis because that is the normal fare yeje se ebase ya tumu a ye beje ntumu na ya tumu no nti omo charge illegally no illegal na asembia Samuel Amu aka ye na menene nya adwen but eduru me bi menene ya adwen titrupa ewo dome kwan so eni amasama kwan so se wo dome na nipa ne se achimota onko achimota enfro ka na anyama ono so onko oh yeah unim ye omo pai because yankasa ya program ya adwen sa ni ti no nipa no oba na opai a na oso akotenem okoduru achimota oto aso ni destination yo so okọ achimota nti agreement a one ne sign ye no no but so okase okọ akra na obesi wo achimota na osa je o different fare ene de we breach contract no ene nti se ka ne besi wo na nye ho no okọ a enfro me ko labone ya papa na obi abesi wo say a friend say spinters befro memfro spinters ka ba mefro sa de no eye timamfo na eye say ye jaya sa short na amoka no
agbado so be jaya na ase ebre na kwabra ye ko wa se be kato
chama pauli eni akonya me eni kwesi ahin me chia omu nyina Concerned Drivers Association chairman Pauli eni your friends kwesi ahin
ye da ase razo my dear kwada kwabra ye ko
no we de meka ye tiawa de meka ne se aban se ne meka ye no eniema ni bi eye eniema no so de enye no enye se ono na odi bibia ba enye na emum ekwan a eso ofa so na yejeje to no wo mun trem bi se eto pa se ukoyi niema na niema ukoyi ye no u import value no uyimu be wo ha nchichemu aduonunum ede kwa aduosia na ade akoye duty de oma bia nu a oye ne sa
all right
nti oma eto no emu ntremum na ye nyina ye ntwetwa kakra na onti eto no so eno be ma hoto aba ebi se enti sa de a na me kan sisu se umu na ukọ market a ukoto a eye 550 no emu half eye 250 eye taxa e dia to so
na da kwabra prepare be da was say ye to nsafre o ba ye Nyame enkoso enshira Nana Kwabena Prepra a Guta president for Greater Accra region. Juma Wayache over so many years. And of course, we're so grateful to have had you here on our show. And again, David Aguado, the second national deputy PR for GPRTU, also Yabeda Wase. But more Adama for Sanko Mowi. Beshed up Pebre, na ye deeper. HF4 Yabeda Wase. Yes, sorry. Na hot by news. Baba Kwem. You're from Kobla ABOTCHIE.